Adding Disney Plus to your YouView box depends on your provider and the specific model of your box. The compatibility varies significantly between different providers and hardware generations. BTTV Pro boxes from 2019 onwards generally offer full Disney Plus support with native app installation. TalkTalk TV 4K boxes have limited support, while older YouView boxes often lack native Disney Plus compatibility due to hardware and software limitations. For compatible boxes, installation is straightforward. First, navigate to the Apps section on your YouView interface. You can see this interface here, which shows the typical layout with featured apps and other options. Next, search for Disney Plus in the App Store. If your box is compatible, the Disney Plus app will appear in the search results for download. Download and install the Disney Plus application. The installation process is automatic and typically takes just a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Finally, launch the app and sign in with your Disney Plus credentials. Once signed in, Disney Plus content will be integrated within your YouView TV guide. If your YouView box doesn't support Disney Plus natively, several alternative viewing options are available. You can cast Disney Plus content from your smartphone or tablet directly to your TV. Another option is connecting your laptop directly to your TV using an HDMI cable, allowing you to access Disney Plus through your computer's web browser. Separate streaming devices offer excellent alternatives. The Amazon Fire Stick and Roku Ultra both provide full Disney Plus support with 4K streaming capabilities and easy setup. Finally, if your TV has smart capabilities, you can use the built-in Disney Plus app directly on your television, bypassing the YouView box entirely for streaming content. The key is choosing the solution that works best for your specific setup and viewing preferences. Whether through native app support or alternative methods, you can enjoy Disney Plus content on your TV. When Disney Plus isn't working on your YouView box, the first step is checking if your system meets the minimum requirements. Here are the most common installation problems and their solutions. Each issue has a specific fix that usually resolves the problem quickly. If your YouView box doesn't support Disney Plus, don't worry. There are several alternative solutions that will let you enjoy Disney content on your TV. Mobile integration offers another convenient solution. You can use your smartphone or tablet to cast Disney Plus content, or take advantage of your smart TV's built-in streaming capabilities. Remember, there's always a solution to access Disney Plus content, whether through troubleshooting your current setup or exploring alternative viewing methods that work best for your situation.